Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams. Just stopping by quickly to share the latest goodies that I got from Not Too Shabby. I think I've mentioned once, twice, 100 times that I am obsessed with the This Calls for Confetti. So I got a whole bunch of that and some stamps. So let's start with the stamps first. Also might know I love dinosaurs. So when I saw this new papery ink, there's this one. This is Dino Birthday. I knew I had to get it. These little dinos are just adorable. And then I saw that they also had this Dino Friends one. So I got this one as well. So cute. Can't wait to ink those up. And then I got this new sentiment set from the Greeting Farm. I thought it was just fun sentiments. They're kind of on the bigger size, so that will be fun. And then I got this new set from My Favorite Things. What is this one called? Sunshine Friends. I loved the little bee and the little ducks, another little bee and that bear. Just thought that those were so cute. And then because my order was over $60, I did get a little freebie. My first Sunny Studios stamp. Look at those little pink ones. So super duper cute. And then on to my latest obsession. I got the glazed blueberry. This calls for confetti. So pretty. Glazed raspberry. I really love this color. Such a pretty one. I got a silver hologram, which I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera, but it does have like the holographic look to it. Gold hologram. Love you very much. I thought this would make really great shaker bits. Really pretty. Rainbow bridge. Those little paw prints. There's some little clouds, which I know the rainbow bridge is kind of a sad thing, but I thought this could be used for some pet cards too. It wouldn't necessarily have to be for like a pet loss. Some glossy black. Thought that would be neat as a accent. Sometimes black is just so striking. Glazed peach. So pretty. And then one in a melon, which like I have seen a sneak peek from Jamie of the box of the month for May, and it is watermelon themed. So how perfect will that be? So excited. So yes, my name is Danny, and I am a This Calls for Confetti addict. Please do not send help. It's just so fun. It's an easy embellishment. I hope to make some shaker cards. And yeah, and I'm looking forward to using these fun new stamps and getting crafty. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy your Friday. It is leading up to my anniversary, so this morning we went out for breakfast, had some strawberry crepes that were delicious. Then I'm making my all-time favorite queso this weekend, just kind of indulging in those happy things to celebrate 23 years of marriage on Sunday. But still getting crafty in there too. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Everything will be linked below so you can go shopping too. Highly recommend getting some of this Calls Confetti. I love it. Have a great day.